Hey guys, it's JP554731 and I'm just going to do an unboxing of the 1-144th RX78-7th, and this is a kit that I bought off Yahoo Japan Auctions, and here's the seller, Takara 2011 Kirara, and um, I don't know if I want to buy this kit and butcher it or kit bash it, but this is the full armor Gundam 7th, and it has some inner frame parts that I want to use, or and some of the regular parts that I want to use as well. Because this isn't a full action kit. It's just it just once you're done building it, you just pose it and you're done. And at first I wanted to get this kit because I wanted to get these kits. These are mobile suit variations, and the Gundam 7th is a mobile suit variation, and the main reason I wanted to get it is because they're the main mechs in the Earth Federation side of the Gundam Senki 0081 PS3 game, and so that's the reason I wanted to buy that. There's also a 1-to-100 scale conversion kit for the GM, or not GM Kai, it's the RX78 version Katoki, but you could probably use the GM Kai as well, but I'm not really sure. So let's go ahead and show you the kit. Here's the instructions. So I don't know why they included the Gundam Katana conversion kit, but it's probably, I don't know, they're probably an ad basically, like saying, hey, we got this kit and you should buy it. I think this kit is was sold on Kara Hobby C3. It's a it's like Kami-Ket, except for like resin kits, garage kits. And let's go ahead and show you some of the parts. Go ahead and cut them out. So I haven't really looked at the parts myself, but these feel pretty okay. There's some like black stuff in the mold. It's probably an air pocket or air bubble. So this casting looks pretty okay. Nothing to write home about, but it'll work. Let me go ahead and try to resume my camera. So yeah, panel lining is pretty crisp. There's pretty good detail, but there's some flash that wasn't like a nub mark, but it looks like a mistake. Here's the head. So yeah, it's understandable that these look pretty thin. These are it's the Gundam fin, and this is a 1 to 144th kit, so it's pretty understandable. Hey, they even put some popcorn so that the ankle thingy doesn't get broken. So here's another. Let's see. I already showed you that. Here's. Wow. Is there 2 backpacks? Yeah, it looks like there's another backpack, which is weird. here's the foot part again. Oh wow, you know what I just realized? That I am such a genius. I should have separated out the parts, because this particular set, because yeah, it's a set, includes parts from the Gundam Katana. And I don't know why I didn't realize that before, but I guess I got two kits, so I'm probably gonna buy a GM, what is this? RGM FP, GM Striker. And so yeah, it's two kits in one, so pretty cool. There was a kit on Hobby Fan. It's actually $35 right now. It's on sale. It's been on sale for the longest time. It's a conversion kit. It's a 1:100 scale conversion kit, and I keep telling them it's a freaking 1:100 scale kit. And I even bought this kit just to compare it with the pictures online, and they just will not budge. They keep labeling as a 1:144 scale kit. It's not. RX78 shoulder part. Here's the knee joint, I guess. But there's no, like I said, this is not a full action kit. There's a vernier in there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, another Gundam Katana part. This looks like the Gundam Katana part as well. Who knows, maybe I might just end up selling the Gundam Katana parts. It also comes with hands. I don't remember seeing... What? Wait, what? It only comes with one hand? A left hand? What? That's dumb. Should at least... Oh, here's the right hand. I don't remember seeing hands for the Gundam Katana. Yeah, it doesn't have hands. I guess you're just supposed to use the GM Striker's hands. So here's hand part, or arm part. Comes with a couple sabers. This looks like a Gundam Katana part. Gundam Katana is it's serialized in Gundam Ace, I think, and it's actually, they have a manga going too. Some more parts. I don't know what this is. This looks like a side skirt, actually. But yeah, there's some detailing in the inside, but I guess it didn't make it because they probably casted these parts a little too many times. These little things, I don't know, the round things with the line in it, I forgot what it's called, but they look pretty fragile. Another Gundam Katana part, looks like. And that's the second part that I dropped under the table. Yeah, these look pretty fragile as well. I might have to putty them on the back side. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this kit. I look forward to building it, and so yeah, please stay tuned for that. Probably not going to be out for a while, because I just applied for the Share Kit program on E2046. So yeah, Please rate, subscribe, and comment, as I always appreciate that. See you guys later. JP554731 signing out.